Hello guys, in this whole video we will discuss on the topic Soho network architecture. Soho stands for small office home office. That means if you have a simply a laptop computer and you want to connect with public internet, then you need to take a connection, a broadband connection in your home so that you can access public net internet. That is the need. Now sometimes we can connect our laptop with a cellular phone with the help of Wi-Fi access, but because you are a worker, you are an employee of a big company, and if you want to access, then you need a powerful services. Then you need to purchase a broadband connection. That is the point. So simply Soho is a small structure. If you have one laptop, you connect with a router and then you are able to access your internet. Clear? Suppose if you expand your idea, here you have many peripheral devices. Clear? Suppose here you have as well your phone. Then how can you connect these? If you have a common understanding, switch connects more devices, more endpoints, more networking devices. Here printer, server, access point, laptop. Then you can connect because you have a small. Suppose you have 1 to 10, then you can connect with switch because switch has many ports and it is able to connect these devices. And if you want to provide a network in these devices, then you need to ISP connection. Now here is a router which provides the platform to connect with public network. Do you know there are many types of router? Wireless router also available, and with the help of router you can connect a simply a switch. This has less port but switch has many ports. Now do you want to, if you have some small businesses and you want to protect your network, then you need to some interesting devices, some you need to prefer firewall. Here look at this figure, this is firewall. That means you protect your LAN network, you protect your network from public access. So this is your some networking devices, IoT, you can connect with each other and then you will be able to use. So this is a overview of Soho network architecture. So what we can say that if you want to design a Soho architecture, then this is a simplest architecture. This is a simplest architecture. Clear? Simple. First point is simple. Simple in that means switch, a router and computer. Now that means it is a single device is used to that act as both a switch and router. Sometimes if single devices, because some ports are available that basically you can connect with each other. We have discussed this point, and you should have information about the features of, then you will be able to connect, and then you can purchase and you can design your architecture. Clear? Now we will tell you a basic overview of these architecture. Here switch work as L2 devices. That means why? Because switch in OSI model, switch is layer 2 model. That means it works with MAC address and it has a duty to forward the packet for a specific particular devices. Now you want to communicate with public internet, then you need to connect with router. Clear? And if you want to protect your own network, then you need to firewall. There are many companies provides firewall services. Now if you expand this, you will come at two-tier network architecture, then you will become at three-tier network architecture, then you will become at wide area network architecture. Clear? So but if there is small businesses, small office, then you have a basic understanding about three-tier model, which is, this is not ideal, but because this is a small, then you can protect your services. Now we can say that it is used for small businesses. Clear? For small business, that means few users connect with each other. So this is a virtual office, such that this is a virtual office, you can create own office with flexible price. Clear? This is just features about this. And do you know about access point? Access point, it provide wireless connectivity to devices like laptop, smartphone, because you need a Wi-Fi access. And we can use this file sharing and storage, so we need a server, VPN support, because this is a small office, and if you want to access your company's network, then create own network in your home, and then you should develop a VPN connection. Suppose there is a office, and from home you can access with the help of VPN connection, with the help of VPN. you can access. Clear? So overall, Soho network is designed to provide essential networking capabilities for small offices or home offices, enabling users to connect devices, share resources, access the in a convenient and secure manner. You can access the internet. This is the whole introduction, whole view, whole understanding about Soho. And you should have a understanding about what we can use to set up a small office. We need internet connection, we need modem, a router here. If you take internet service provider provide a router, then it also gives a modem, switch, wireless access point, network security, file server, shared point, VPN. This is basic Soho network setup. And if you want to talk about where we can use small businesses, small offices. Clear? Home offices, freelancer, independent professionals, retail establishment. There are many small purpose we can use, and we can develop our own network that is defined as Soho network. So personal use. So these scenarios are not exhaustive, and the versatility of Soho networks makes them adaptable to various other use cases depending on individual needs and requirements. Clear? I hope you will be able to define these concepts very easily and you have whole understanding about Soho. Thank you guys.